In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Canva from scratch. Whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, or just someone who wants a professional looking invoice, Canva makes it easy, versatile, and visually appealing, so let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll need to open Canva and log into your account. If you haven't signed up yet, don't worry, it's a quick and straightforward process. Once you're signed in, you're ready to begin creating your stylish invoice. Head over to the search bar at the top and type in Invoice. This action will bring up a wide array of invoice templates to choose from. Canva often features a dedicated invoice maker page, which can be a helpful starting point. Take a moment to scroll through the options and find one that aligns with your brand style, be it minimal, classic, bold, or anything in between. After you've picked a template that suits your needs, it's time to make it your own. Start by replacing any placeholder text with real information. This includes vital details such as the invoice number, date, billing info, and a description of the services or products. You can also personalize it by adding your company's logo and name. Remember, consistency in color and font with your brand's identity is key, so feel free to adjust these features to better match your brand guidelines. Tweak the layout, margins, or any sections as necessary to make sure the invoice not only looks great, but is functional too. Next up is adding line items. This is where you'll detail your list of services or products. Insert each item along with the quantity, unit price, and total. If applicable, don't forget to add any taxes, discounts, or subtotals. This section is crucial, so make sure every detail is correct and clear. Following that, you'll need to include your payment details and any relevant notes. It's best to place this information at the bottom or side of the invoice for easy access. Specify your preferred payment methods, such as bank account details or PayPal. Clearly state the due date and, if necessary, any terms and conditions or additional notes. Before you wrap things up, it's important to review and adjust your invoice. Double-check all the numbers for accuracy. Ensure that the alignment and spacing of elements are visually pleasing and that everything is easy to read. This step is vital in maintaining a professional appearance. Now that your invoice is perfect, it's time to save, download, or share it. Canva offers options to download it as a PDF, which is ideal for printing or sending digitally. You can also share a link with view rights directly from Canva or export the invoice as an image file like PNG or JPG, depending on your needs. For those of you looking to automate calculations, Canva itself doesn't offer full auto calculation features like a spreadsheet might. However, a helpful workaround is to integrate it with Google Sheets or manage numbers manually within linked parts. There are plenty of online tutorials if you want to explore mixing Canva with Sheets for more robust functionality. And there you have it. Creating a beautiful, professional invoice in Canva is not only possible, but can also be a fun and creative experience. With these steps, you'll be ready to impress clients and manage your invoices with style. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your invoice creation.